He would chop the edge of the bamboo. Why is he doing that? To make more friction. To make more heat. So it would be rough, no?
If you use only this, would usually only slides.
Yeah, if it's smooth or it's only slide, then it does not attract more heat, no? Unlike the rough one, where heat could be induced by friction. Yun lang. May dagdag?
One more. Oh, or maybe they're gonna put the tinder inside.
Kanang usa.
Another one.
Sand? How did she get sand in her thing?
Remember, after using a knife, this time,
Remember that. Knife safety, no? After using a knife, it should be placed back inside its sheath. Okay, everyone, all eyes here. You could step forward. So put the tender bundle on a place where there is a hole on the bamboo. This one has the hole, and it places the tender over it.
You guys sit here. It's
hopefully, di siya makuan.
bali.
Okay?
Joey, watch how they do it. Look, JB.
Yan lang. Dodi, para po. Ha? Sarap?
Rabbit.
Is it Robin or Robin?
Rub it. Rub it. Rub.
I need to rub that thing. Yay!
Look at that.
Robin now. Rob.
The brown is too soft.
Oh, it's like that big.
Okay, good boss, good.
My eyes! Not really eyes.
Do it slowly first.
It's how it's done. Look at that. Anybody see smoke? Anybody smell smoke?
And when you see smoke, do it faster and faster.
You know.
I smell smoke!
Like that.
Oh, look, it's black already.
Baka babawi.
We're not in the fire. Are you smoking?
You give oxygen to the ember. You give air. You blow.
So ba ta?
You blow air.
Like this smoke.
So good here.
Oh, I saw something.
Na?
Oh, it's burning. It's burning. It's burning. It's burning.
Then, the rest of the tender, you use the reserve tender. Who will do the honor to make it?
Joey, blow. There's fire already. Joey.
Continue. The one?
You blow, Joey.
Blow flame. Blow.
Harder. Wow.
Who did it?
Who blew it?
Joey, you blow.
Who blew it?
You okay?
It's okay?
Did you see us using
Wow, nice.
lighters? That's it? No. You only use it through strength.
Wow.
So someday, you will do this yourself.
You're making my eyes
Okay.
burn.
Don't
Yes.
fall.
Blow.
Careful na.
Just
Careful, be careful.
blow it slow.
You can just
Give it a little.
play with the fire. Do not put too much oxygen. You want to light under.
There.
Wow.
How's that?
So, so that's the another method, friction method, done by
Hey, Joey.
the tribal
okay?
people.
Come here, come.
No?
Come here. Come here. You drink water. Drink water.
Okay.
Water.
How do you put it out?